Tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal. Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster.
Welcome on board, Captain. Of course, our master, Captain Giuseppe. Thank you so much, Captain, for being here. Of course, the executive committee. And well, music and mixology. Do I have, by any chance, anybody in the house that would like some free cocktails? Maybe? Yes? Why not, right? Yes, that is the team over there. So music and mixology is going to be exactly doing that. We're going to combine a little bit of music, in charge of festival, and a little bit of mixology right here. That is not going to be me, apparently. I'm so sorry. But we're going to bring someone that is going to create in front of you a very nice cocktail. In fact, they will create for you 3 cocktails, and I'm going to kindly ask you to please put your hands together, because the spotlight this evening is not for myself, it's not for Sisibon, it's for the one and only, all the way from Indonesia. He is Eka, your flair bartender! Come on in, huh? And this is how we start the business. Our very first ingredient is going to be lemon juice. And we have our first instrument. Yes. Okay. Now please don't try this at home, okay? Only professionals like Eka Our second ingredient, because we're talking about bees, of course, we need some honey. Very good. Alright. Whoa. Put your hands together for Eka. Well done. There he goes. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Come on, give it up for Eka. Look at that precision. Very nice. Oh, of course. The shaky. He likes this part. Goodness. Oh, some shoulder. See some shoulder?